Hi everyone, today is, what date is it? I should always check that before I start my vlog.
19th.
The 19th of April, and if you haven't watched my last vlog, I'll leave it down below. Today we're just off into town. I have a meeting first. Chris is going to go for a little walk with C around maybe Fitzwilliam Square, I think it's called. It's right beside the Merrion, that's where my meeting is. And after that we're going to grab some lunch in the Alex. I think the Alex is really nice. It's a newly refurbished hotel. I don't know what it was before that, or if it was called the Alex and they just did it up. I went to an event there in December and it was so fab. The interiors are gorgeous, so we're going to walk around to that. I think it's quite near to the Merrion, and have some lunch. And then after that I have work to do, so I want to film a video and I have a video to edit as well. So it's all go. After that Chris is gonna take Sienna. We gonna go for lunch? Yeah?
Higher than I've ever been. I'm high. 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 Higher than I've ever been. I'm high.
Look at the pinky! Is that nice? Oh.
I'm high. Can you feel it too? Higher than I've ever been. Whenever I am close to you, tell me, baby.
Lunch was delicious. Did you like it?
I'm stuffed.
I feel like I have to hold the camera so high that to make sure that you're in frame.
My fault, I'm amazingly tall.
We're gonna go find some ice cream now for a CC and then head home. I've got work to do. Sienna has the most teeniest, tiniest ice cream. Show us your ice cream. Have you got a little ice cream? Yeah. Yeah, it's so small. We just walked through Merrion Square and the place is covered in people having their lunch outside. It's so nice. I actually feel like it's the height of summer, and it's hopefully, is it to stay around this weekend? I think it might. I think it might be nice this weekend. Everyone is just so much happier when the sun is out. It's just, I wish we lived in a warm country 24/7.
I'd be fucked.
Why?
I just get burnt all the time.
Yeah, Chris burns very easily. You don't take a tan, do you?
I'm transparent.
And I feel like Sienna has your skin, so she's never gonna tan.
I'm always that person at the pool that people are like, ha, he's so bad.
True story. When was it that you got burnt last year?
Anytime the sun was out.
No, it was bad. Was it Wexford or something?
Yeah.
And we were going on holidays a couple of weeks later and Chris had the fear and like literally was in the shade the whole time. Didn't go into the sun at all. Can't remember what it was that you got burnt. Like, it wasn't even that much of a sunny day, I don't think.
I think I went running on the beach, wasn't it?
Something like that.
Back when I was skinny, I had no top on.
Scarred him for life.
Yeah.
I've just spent the afternoon filming and I just edited my makeup tutorial. This little munchkin is getting up to no good, aren't you? A second ago she I came out and she was standing on her little toy pram, and then she walked into me. She'd gotten under the stairs, came in, she was like, hi! She was holding a bottle of gin. Now, what are you doing? I'm in my pajama shorts and a little tank top because when we came home from town it was so hot that I couldn't bear to be in jeans and a jumper. And I stripped down. Nobody could see that I was in my pajama shorts in the video. It was just a makeup tutorial for Instagram, so we're all good. I am working with Centra for the next couple of weeks. I've been working with them since February, I think it was. I'm on week 8 of the Live Well plan, and I went shopping in Centra today and picked up some bits for dinner and stuff for breakfast tomorrow. So I'm going to make my dinner now. It is going to be a salad with prawns and my favourite hot, is it hot barbecue? Smoked salmon? I'll show you. Anyway, I'm just going to make a salad. It's a very sunny day, very sunny evening, so you can't have anything other than salad when it's like this. I love a good salad in the sun. I had salad for lunch today when we were out. I'm trying to be, I keep saying I'm trying to be. I'm not trying to be. I'm being very healthy lately, and I'm on a weight loss journey. If you follow me on social media, you will know that I've lost almost 2 stone since January, so I want to get another 2 down like by the end of the year. I'm not in any rush. I just want to do it like in a healthy way and maintain and work out and be fit and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you my salad. So these are just some of the bits that I picked up today when I was in Centra. I went into the one on Westland Row, I think it's called. I got some baby leaf lettuce to go in my salad. I picked up some goat's cheese. I love goat's cheese. I got these, which I was snacking on while I was filming. They are the slow baked sweet and salty fruit and nut. Just nice as a little treat, but not too bad. I got some mushrooms. This is actually, I didn't buy this today, but the Happy Pear Happy Hummus is delightful. King prawns in a tomato and olive marinade. I'm gonna have them with some of this. This is my new favorite smoked salmon. So it's the barbecue smoked salmon. It's not hot. I don't know why I thought it was hot. I'm gonna make that and the prawns with salad. I have cucumber as well, actually. I also bought this rye bread pumpkin seed. It's really nice. It's quite, like, it is rye bread, so it's not. Are you the baba now? Yeah, okay. It's not like your normal bread, but it is nice as a healthy alternative. I also bought this Nick's Tea Irish Brew herbal tea. What? Who said that? Cece? Peppermint tea. I had run out of peppermint tea, and these are the nice ones in the silk little bags. And what else? These need to be used up. I bought these last week. They're just olives in garlic. My new obsession is olives. So I'm gonna get, oh, I have tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes and cucumber and all of these bits for my dinner. See, are you gonna have a salad with mommy? Do you want a salad? Yeah, so you like salads too, don't you? Just going out in Sienna's bike. Mom! Yeah, she hasn't been in it since last year. You ready to go? Yeah. Yeah, we going for a walk? Say beep beep. Beep beep. When you come to Auntie Dominique's and she puts a whole towel around you.
I will have a neat baby.
Look at that for a bib, Sienna. Looks like a dress on her. Baby cam.
Oh my gosh.
Hi. Drama. We are just on our way home from Dominique's. We had some tea and biscuits. Whenever I go to Dominique's, that's the only time I ever drink tea. I'm gonna leave today's vlog here. Gonna go home and have a shower, and me and Chris will probably just watch Netflix. And then tomorrow I'm very excited because I'm going to a beauty event with Carolyn Hirons, which is like the goddess when it comes to skincare. What? So I am really looking forward to that, and I will check in tomorrow. Good morning everyone. Today is, I know I should always check, the 20th. It is Friday, and today, fingers crossed, is the day we get our keys. I'm so excited. It feels like it's never going to come. If anyone has bought a house and they're like in the process of waiting for it, you'll know how long it feels. Like every day you're hoping and praying is the day. But I think my solicitor said that today should be the day we get the call for the keys, which is really exciting. I can't wait. I'm just over in Stillorgan now. I'm going into therapy. I go to therapy every 2 weeks. If you follow me on my social channels and Instagram and Snapchat, you'll know that I'm a regular at therapy. Not therapy, the hair removal therapy for my mind. I go to psychotherapy, and I have done since last June, I think. Let me take these off, it's getting a little bit dull. I've gone since last June. I did go to my therapist like 2 years ago, the year before I got pregnant, and then last year I just was like, I need to go back to this full time, and I really enjoy it. It's really good for my mind, it helps me deal with my anxiety and all of that. So yeah, I'm just over here now ready to go in. I'm a little bit early, 5 minutes early, never early. And then after that I'm gonna head home for a little bit. I want to edit this vlog. I'm finishing this vlog today, and then I'm going into town to meet Carolyn Hirons, which I said yesterday, she is the goddess when it comes to skincare. She is a YouTuber from the UK, and she's very well known in the beauty industry, so I'm really looking forward to meeting her. The event is on, I'm actually not really sure if it's an event or if it's just like a sit down with Caroline, but it's in the marker at 2:30, so fingers crossed we don't get the call for the house before then, because I really want to meet her. It should be fun. I'm looking forward to asking her some skincare questions, getting her to look at my skin and see what she would recommend. But I better go to therapy, and I will chat to you all in a little bit. We're going to the park, see? I managed to get her. No, you don't want to go? A multicolored ball. We're gonna have a little play until I have to head back into town. I'm just heading up to the marker now to go to the event for Carolyn Hirons and be excited. So, Chris just got the keys for the house, and I missed it because I was in town. But we're gonna go up now, I think. And the what you call them? The builder? I don't know. The real estate agent? I don't know who did it. But they got us a bottle of Moet and 2 glasses and gave us a card. Oh! I said to him, can we go stay there tonight, please? I really want to just like, I know I said I didn't want to just sleep on the floor, but I really want to just sleep on the floor, me and him, get a takeaway and enjoy our first night in our new home. Oh my god, this is so, oh, I'm so emotional now. Hi baby, are you in your new house?
I feel the magic in the air tonight. We're shining brighter than a neon sky. I'm begging, baby, yeah, you know it's time. Come on and tell me you love.
Did you find a bedroom?
How did you get up there?
Is that your new room? I think we can spare a little bit more space for you, Sienna. I'm gonna end tonight's vlog here. We are key holders. Is that even a thing?
Yeah, not in the right context, but yeah.
We've just ordered a takeaway and we're going to celebrate.
By falling asleep ridiculously early.
Yeah, I know, I'm so tired. We're starting to watch a new program on Netflix called Sinners, is it? Oh no, The Sinner.
Yeah.
The Sinner. So we are gonna have Chinese a bottle of wine and watch that. And I will chat to you all tomorrow. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Good morning everyone. It is Saturday the 21st of April. We had a really nice night last night and celebrated with a Chinese and a glass or two of wine. I literally fell asleep on the couch watching the dinner. I'm just getting ready now. Mags is on her way over and we are heading out to Stellar Live today, which is going to be fun. It's in the chocolate factory in town. Don't really know what to expect from the day. I know that James Kavanagh is talking and there will be a few other speakers, but that's all I know. Vicky just invited myself and Mags to come and enjoy the day, so that's what we're gonna do. It's stunning outside, so I'm gonna sit out on the wall and wait for Mags to come pick me up. I don't think that you've ever been on my vlog.
Video.
Yeah. No, have you ever been on my vlog?
Never wanted to be.
Welcome to the channel. Hey everyone. We're just back from George's birthday party. It was in Spree today and Sienna had so much fun. I've put her down for a nap. I'm about to edit this vlog and I don't think she's asleep. But anyway, I'm going to leave the vlog here. I will be back next week with a new one. I am loving vlogging again. I hope you're enjoying them. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you do like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.